When you hear the term Web 3.0 stocks, cryptocurrency and non-fungible token-related plays may first come to mind. After all, it was blockchain technology associated most with both these types of digital assets that ushered in this new frontier of the internet. Yet, the decentralization that's the key element of Web 3.0 isn't limited just to the world of cryptos and NFTs. Decentralized finance (DeFi) is but one application for this technology. Blockchain-based decentralization brings with it greater control for users of their privacy. If this plays out, it could be a massive reversal of internet trends over the last few decades, where big tech giants have considerable control over user data, not to mention the ability to control who gets to use their increasingly indispensable platforms. However, that's not to say big tech stands to lose out if skeptics like Elon Musk are wrong, and this isn't just a flash-in-the-pan fad. Many of the largest tech companies stand to benefit greatly from this next generation of the World Wide Web, and so will investors that have had their eyes out for these companies. So, what are the Web 3.0 stocks to buy now, especially as recent market volatility has knocked them to lower prices? Hello everyone and welcome back to the Metaverse Economy channel. In this video, you will learn about 7 of the best Web 3.0 stocks to buy and why are they the hottest options on the market right now. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch more videos like this. Before we jump right into the best stock options to go for, let's recap on what Web 3.0 actually is. Web 3.0 refers to the third iteration of the internet or an improvement over the current Web 2.0 internet. Web 2.0 has brought many benefits including search engines, social media, online video streaming, and more. However, it has been dominated by a few corporate powers including Google, Amazon, and Facebook parent Meta platforms. As a result, many users think they've lost their freedom in it. Some activists and politicians have called for a big tech breakup to restore freedom in Web 2.0. However, tech giants have strongly rejected the breakup proposal. For example, Zuckerberg-led Facebook parent Meta has argued that dismantling America's technology powerhouses will only benefit their Chinese competitors. A breakup might offer some solutions in curbing the influence of corporate powers on the internet. However, a growing body of developers think that the only shift to Web 3.0 would guarantee internet users their freedom. Web 3.0 promises a decentralized internet where no single entity or group calls the shots and people have control over their data. Web 3.0 is getting plenty of attention, and as a result, Web 3.0 stocks are catching the eyes of investors. So, what are the best Web 3.0 stock options to invest in for 2022? 1. Coinbase Global. Coinbase Global, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, has around 75 million users. Management has also announced plans to launch a non-fungible token (NFT) platform in the near future. Coinbase's venture capital fund supports Web 3.0 infrastructure companies, including the blockchain network Solana, BlockFi, and other decentralized finance projects. With a big drop in cryptocurrency prices as the market moved to risk-off, shares in crypto financial services giant Coinbase Global dropped by about 50% between November and January. Since then, Coin stock has begun to bounce back as investors tiptoe back in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptos. Still, Coinbase remains an attractive Web 3.0 stock. It plays a vital role as a centralized exchange that investors can trust with their cash, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs. However, its near-term valuation relies mostly on the mainstream adoption of crypto. 2. Apple. With its mobile communication and media devices such as personal computers, Apple has been a darling of tech consumers for many years. Meanwhile, management is taking steps to transform the tech giant into an infrastructure layer for Web 3.0 development. For instance, blockchain tools such as cryptocurrency wallets expect users to have smartphones. And with more than 1 billion users, Apple currently has about a quarter of the smartphone market. Therefore, its customer base will always be coveted by Web 3.0 developers. 3. Nvidia. Wall Street regards Nvidia as the undisputed leader in advanced semiconductor design and software for next-generation computing development. The chip maker is well known for its chips used in gaming and data centers. Nvidia's technology is primed to power the future of Web 3.0. For instance, its chips allow crypto miners to provide essential tasks that run blockchain networks. The chip maker is now developing an advanced AI chip that run new Web 3.0 applications and platforms. In addition, the company has recently launched NVIDIA Omniverse, a platform designed for Web 3.0 developers to build their metaverse products. Analysts are also keeping an eye on its work regarding deep learning systems that can handle neural language processing required by Web 3.0. Deep learning is a subdivision of AI and machine learning utilizing multi-layered artificial neural network to deliver state-of-the-art accuracy in tasks such as object detection, speech recognition, language translation, and others. Four, Unity software. Surging higher in mid-2021, the emergence of the Metaverse trend last October resulted in a parabolic move for shares in Unity software. The company provides software used to create 3D content. They facilitate the creation of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. The rise of Web 3.0 trends like the Metaverse bode well for it. But much like other plays that zoomed to metamania, it has crashed back to earth. However, Unity remains an attractive bet to capture the potential of Web 3.0. Its platform offers underlying architecture for developing and participating in the Metaverse, a market that could go well over $800 billion by 2028. 5. Twitter. Our next Web 3.0 stock is the microblogging platform Twitter. Analysts point out how important it will be to reach an audience in the upcoming decentralized world. Since Twitter facilitates the organic development of niche communities, it already enjoys a key competitive advantage among social media names. The social media platform recently announced that subscribers to Twitter Blue could display their verified NFTs in their timelines as hexagon-shaped profile pictures. This step has created significant buzz among NFT aficionados. Recent research suggests the market could reach $80 billion by 2025. 6. Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices (AMD) is one of the semiconductor designers racing to develop the most powerful artificial intelligence computing and graphics chip for Web 3.0. At present, most of AMD's revenue comes from Central Processing Unit and Graphics Processing Unit sales. The chip heavyweight recently gained approval from China for its $35 billion acquisition of the semiconductor designer Xilinx. The transaction adds significant AI capabilities to AMD's offerings. Analysts expect it to gain a strategic foothold in Web 3.0 markets, such as networking infrastructure and automotive technology. Bank of America anticipates AMD will gain 25% of the server market by the end of 2022. Meanwhile, its cutting-edge EPYC processors continue to take away from Intel's share in the data center market. 7. Block. Closing our list is the financial technology giant Block, formerly known Square. Its ecosystem provides solutions for point-of-sales, P2P payments, and cryptocurrencies. Its peer-to-peer payments platform Cash App has contributed to the company's growth significantly. The development of a decentralized Web 3.0 that ensures data security and privacy should further boost growth in the ecosystem. Moreover, CEO Jack Dorsey is expected to allocate a significant portion of Block's revenue to invest in Web 3.0 related new ventures. That's all on the best Web 3.0 stocks to look at for in 2022. Remember, when you buy a share of stocks, you're literally buying a piece of that company. If you're still unsure of where to start, I recommend doing some soul searching and devising a game plan before jumping in. Are there any companies on the About list with values, products, and services you agree with? What about other companies not on this list? Who do you think will be even bigger 30 years down the line when it's time to cash in your retirement chips? Once you identify a few companies that fit your criteria and risk tolerance, the next step is to purchasing shares in your brokerage account. By following the tips outlined above and investing in any of the above stocks, chances are you will be happy you did. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.